Morning, everybody. Welcome to Cubmaster Chris's Corona Cub Scout Corner. I'm trying to bring you a video every day, as I told you, but we had to change plans today. Because why? Because it's raining outside. I was going to do a shoot outside, and we're going to do a little another nature segment. I had to change that, unfortunately. So I decided to do something that I know my scouts don't know because I haven't shown them this knot, and it's called the friendship knot. It's on your neckerchief, right? So a lot of times we have our slides, right? And our slides are great and our slides are cool. But a lot of times we lose our slides. Happens frequently. And then we could take our neckerchief and just do a knot up here, right? But the problem is your tails hang out, right? So this is a little bit neater method to do it. So let me teach you how to do that quick. It's actually fairly easy. What we do, let's start with our neckerchief. Okay, so you can take any neckerchief, triangular one. They actually used to, believe it or not, neckerchiefs used to be square. So when I was in Scouts, we had a big square piece of fabric that we'd have to first fold in half to make it into a triangle, so it would work as a neckerchief. So first to roll up your neckerchief, you don't just wad it up and throw it on your neck, right? Because what happens? It just looks all disheveled, right? It just looks a mess, right? It looks like a cape more than a neckerchief, all right? Although we are superheroes, let's be neat superheroes, okay? Okay, so roll your neckerchief up. Just flop it around, roll it, roll it. Gets to this point, well, there goes my hat. I grab it with my mouth and I pull it tight. Okay, flip it, flip it. Okay, now pop your collar, throw your neckerchief on. Okay, make sure your ends are nice and wound up. If they're not, turn them, tighten them up a little bit. Going the wrong direction with that one. Okay, so step A is we're going to make a loop. You're going to pick one side or the other, and it depends where you want your slide, how tight up to your neck you do your knot. Okay, so if you want it somewhere in this area, grab it right there. You're going to make a loop. Now, be careful not to do this. Okay, right? You want to keep everything on center on your back. So you're going to bend it over, make a loop. Okay, see what I got going on there? Got a loop. Now you're going to take this one, you're going to cross it over both of them, come around back, and underneath this one. Okay, so kind of like that. So that first piece that you made the loop with, you're going to bend that down. You're going to take the other one, you're going to go over top and into that first hole you made. And you're going to tighten it up, okay? And it should look like this. Okay, so then it lays nice, right? Turn around your collar, it lays nice on your uniform, okay? That's called a friendship knot. Let me go through it one more time just to make sure you got it. Let me move a little closer. I don't know if that'll help. So let's try this. So remember, if you turn these up, tighten them up a little bit, it makes it easier to do your knot, right? Make sure you turn them the right direction or you're just going to undo your whole thing. Okay, so we start with making a loop. There's your loop. Okay, take this piece, run it in front. Okay, back behind, underneath that first one. So remember, now this is the first one you started that first loop with. You're going to bend that first one down, bring the other one over top, and tuck it through that first hole, that very first loop you made, okay? And then you just kind of tighten everything up. It lays nice on your uniform. It looks sharp. You will not lose your neckerchief slide if you do it this way. I promise you that, okay? So I know that your parents will love you for that. So thank you for joining me today. Listen, stay healthy. Wash your hands. And please, I know we're all stuck in this together, and we're all confined to our homes right now, and it's very stressful. So if you need a timeout from everybody, please just take a timeout. Control your anger. And be fair and be kind. A scout is courteous, right? A scout is friendly, right? Okay, so let's practice being these things. Everybody, please have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you soon.